In this video, I will show you how to create a Spocket account. To do this, you can go and click on the link down in the description, which will take you to this page, where you can just start your free trial. You can then continue by entering your email address and name, or continue with Google or Facebook. I'll just be using Google. And then from there, they will already take you to your account right here. Now, after you create your account, you will then get this offer. Now you can just click no, continue without it. And then we'll ask what category do you want to sell in. You can also skip this. Now, what kind of products are you looking for? So US and EU suppliers, AliExpress or white label. Then choose the region that you will sell in, for example, Europe. And then from there, they will ask if you want to get one of these plans. Now they have a starter plan at $40 per month, then Pro 60, Empire 100 and Unicorn 300. Now if you pay annually, it is a lot cheaper, as you can see. For example, in the Unicorn plan, you will save $2,500 per year when you go with annual compared to monthly. But from here you can now choose whichever plan you want to get. For example, if you want to get the annual Pro plan, you can just select that right here. And then what you can do is choose how you want to pay. So with a card or with Cash App Pay. Then here enter your details. And then if you pay monthly, you can claim a free trial as well. Now with annual billing, that does not seem to be an option, so if you want to get a free trial, you should start with monthly billing. But from there you can then just claim a trial for a little under $2, and then it will redirect you to Spocket and you will have created your account. So I've now started my trial. Now you can upgrade to annual if you want, or you can just click no, continue with monthly plan. And now as you can see, you can now start using Spocket. So now you know how to create a Spocket account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And if you also want to claim the 14-day free trial, then go and click on the link down in the description, which will take you directly to this page. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.